everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Holly Spallaa. What's up? It's been a long time since I actually sat down and filmed, and I say that every single video, but it's true. It's been a while. I've been working, going to the gym a lot. I did film an update video, kind of. It was a chit chat, get ready with me, where I was talking about breakups, brand deals, that kind of thing. I've been kind of hesitant to post it, but let me know if you guys want to see something like that, because I already have it filmed and everything. Yeah. So basically I've just been living my best life. So today what I'm gonna do is I don't know so I don't know who let me go to Sephora and spend money. Actually, no one let me, because I didn't tell anyone. I just went there and spent money, because why the fuck not? So I bought two things. The first thing that I bought is, I love Anastasia palettes so much. And I was just kind of walking through Sephora, minding my own business, and then I saw this one right here. And I was like, I haven't heard of this or seen this before, and it looks intriguing. So I'm gonna open it up. I didn't swatch any of it. I literally looked at the colors and was like, that's nice, and got it. So it is the Carli Bybel and Anastasia Beverly Hills palettes. And this is what it looks like. It looks the same as the actual box, but when you open it, it looks like this. And it's so nice. I don't know. It's just so beautiful. I don't know if it's shades she came up with, shades that already existed. I don't know. So we're going to play around with this. And then the other thing that I bought was I got distracted by the box. I ran out of my Urban Decay All-Nighter Setting Spray, and I went to Sephora to buy more, and I was walking. And the Sephora near me has a whole Morphe set up, and I was like, damn. So I ended up getting this one to try, because I've always wanted to try the Set and Refresh Mist from Morphe. So this is the Jeffree Star collab, I guess, with Morphe. And there's a strawberry at the top, so I guess it smells like strawberries. I'll open this up too for you guys. Oh. Okay. So this is what it looks like. She's pink, she's cute. Can I smell it without spraying it? Oh my god. Oh yeah, she smells like strawberries. I like her. Okay, so I want to swatch some of these because they're just so pretty. So I think I'm gonna swatch, or should I just use them? I think I'm just gonna use them. So first, I already did my brows off camera using my Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Blonde. I'm gonna take my Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm gonna prime my lids. I have a nail appointment at 5. I don't know what time it is right now. I feel like it's past 4 already. But yeah, I'm just gonna use my finger and I'm just gonna blend that in. And I actually like the brushes that the Anastasia palettes come with. It comes with that dual-sided brush. Because I don't know, I've tried the brushes that come with other eyeshadow palettes, and I usually find that they're pretty, they're average. They're nothing special, nothing that stands out. But I really like these ones, so I might use that. For now, I'm going to lay down a color that is kind of like a base. That's usually similar to my skin tone. I take one of these brushes. This is the Morphe M573, and I'm going to take the shade, oh my god, and I'm going to take the shade Bare, which is this one right here, and I'm going to put that all over. You can see my bootleg setup. Hold on. Yeah. This is my bootleg setup. But yeah, I'm going to take the shade Bare, which is this one right here, and I'm going to set my lids. Okay, so there is a decent amount of fallout. I don't know if that's because I just dug my brush in there or not, but okay, so. Then yesterday I decided at 2 in the morning that I was going to do my makeup. So I still have a little bit of red eyeliner, because I decided I wanted to do a red liner moment. If you go in a little bit lighter, it doesn't have the fallouts, but it has a little bit, which is not the end of the world. It's not like the Subculture. Oh my god, the Subculture palette was horrible. Like, that's literally like the best way I can explain it. The Subculture was trash. No offense to anyone who likes the Subculture palette. But yeah, so I think the first shade that I'm gonna go in with is, I think I'm gonna go in with Bybel, which is this shade right here, kind of muted brownish mauve kind of vibe, I don't know. And I'm gonna be using my Morphe E22. Okay, so it's only $4.17, so we're blessed. But yeah, so I'm taking that Bybel shade, and it's actually really pretty. I'm not really sure if it picks up on the camera. My eye bags pick up on the camera. But yeah, so I use the shade Bybel, and then I think I'm gonna go in with the shade Stev. Stev seems right. So it's gonna be this shade right here. It's like a cranberry shade. The brush that I'm gonna use for this is the Morphe E17, and I'm gonna dip into this Stev color. And I think I'm gonna focus that more below the crease. But yeah, so as I was saying before, I filmed kind of like a life update video. I just haven't really gotten around to posting it. I'm not really sure if I want to. I don't know. Because obviously, like, when you film a video post breakup or like talking about around like a lot of shit, especially if you post that, like, your opinion can change real fast. So like, I edited it. I should have just posted it like right away, but I didn't. I don't know why. But I don't know, I should have just like went ahead and posted it, because now like I'm in a different mindset. Like, I'm 100% over everything. And I think in the video I was like kind of still, it was new, it was fresh, I was still kind of going through shit. But I don't know, like, I've gotten over it. I don't know if I should still post it, just like, because I talked about like getting over breakups and shit like that, but like I also filmed this video almost 2 months ago, so like it's pretty outdated, in my opinion. So I'm just gonna take more of the Stev color just to like deepen up the outer corner. I don't know, like, my mindset's changed. I'm not upset anymore. I've like moved on, living my best life. I got really into the gym because I let myself go. Like, the past like year or two, I've really let myself go. When it comes to like eating healthy and like working out and all that, like, I let myself go. That's literally like the easiest way to explain it. And so like, I've gotten back on track. I've been going to the gym consistently. I've been going 5 to 6 times a week, which is really nice. And I've gotten results. Like, I've lost a total of 20 pounds. Yeah, so last time I weighed myself, I had lost 15 pounds. And I try not to weigh myself that often because I don't want to become like super obsessed with my weight, like I have been in the past. But I weighed myself today and I've lost 20 pounds. So I'm super proud of myself for losing the 20 pounds, and I'm super proud of myself for like staying motivated, for seeing results, and for like not giving up, like really just sticking to my shit and just doing what I need to do. Because it got to the point where I looked in the mirror and I was like, I'm not happy with myself whatsoever. Like, I need to change something, and I need to change it now. That's really like the mindset that I had, and that's the mindset that I found works too. I mean, like, obviously it's not going to work for everyone, just like telling themselves to get their shit together, but it's a start. And I don't know, like, I could have done this earlier, could have had a nice summer body, could have done all of that, but I was slacking. And you know, like, everybody gets motivated at different times, everybody goes through different things, has different mindsets. So I'm just telling you guys, like, summer 2020, it's gonna be over for all of y'all. Like, I'm gonna be working my ass off, gonna be continuing to do that, gonna be getting gains, doing whatever I can, honestly, because I've really gotten into the gym. I've been really enjoying it, and I'm just like super happy with where I am right now, which I haven't been able to say in a long time. I've been super like unhappy with myself. I wasn't confident. I don't know, like, I didn't see my worth. And like, these past 2 months have been showing me, like, I am worth so much, and I don't need to put up with anybody's shit. Like, I'm living my life, and I'm living my life the way that I want to and the way that I need to, and like, all that matters right now is my happiness. I don't need to be focusing on other things. I need to be really focusing on myself, and I have been doing that. Like, I've been losing weight, I've been gaining muscle, I've been doing all that, and I'm really proud of myself. And I don't know, I never thought, like, I've gone to the gym in the past and like that kind of thing, but I've never actually been truly motivated to go. I just kind of went because I was like, I should go. But now I actually go, like, I enjoy it. I like being there. I like lifting weights. I like increasing my weight that I'm doing. Like, I've gotten really into it. And I don't know. I mean, like, I'm proud of myself. Obviously, I still have like time. I have room to go. And I'm not obviously like saying like everybody should lose weight. I'm just saying, like, I'm really proud of myself for doing it. So that's why I'm kind of talking about it. This is the eye look. It looks kind of funny, not gonna lie. But the shadows are really nice. Like, it's like a tiny bit patchy, but that could also be because I'm not really paying attention fully to my makeup. But yeah, so I think I'm done with the Stev shade. Okay, so I'm gonna be going in with the brush that comes with it now. I'm just gonna pop that out of the plastic seal. Okay, so I'm gonna be, also my skin's my skin's getting a lot more clear as well. Obviously I have like a couple breakouts, but it's improved a lot from where it was, especially because I've been eating healthier and I've been drinking more water, so I feel like that's really helping me a lot. So I'm gonna take the shade Cindy, which is this orange shade right here, and I'm gonna use that just to buff out the okay, there was a lot of fallout in that shade. I don't know if you can't really see it, but it picked up a lot on the brush. And I'm just gonna kind of go over like the outer lines with this Cindy shade, just to kind of like blend it. I'm not looking for it to do like too much. I'm just looking for it to like kind of blend the lines. Okay, so I think that's it for the matte shade. Like, there's a lot of pretty shimmer shades in here, and I'm trying to decide like which one I want to go in with. Like, this Mandalia one's really nice. It's like an iridescent kind of purple. But there's also like this aura shade, which is really nice. These are the two shades that I'm kind of like trying to decide between. I feel like this is them swatched. Maybe I'll do both. I think I'm gonna do the Mandela shade in the like more the inner corner, and then I'm gonna do the aura shade on the outer side. That seems like a good plan. So I'm gonna take my MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus. This is the Cherry Blossom edition. I'm gonna wet the other side of this Anastasia brush, and I'm gonna start with the Mandela shade, just since it's lighter. Okay, so it doesn't really show up as much on the eye. Let me see if I can build it. Oh, there we go. I don't know if you guys you can't really see it, but it's picking up more now. But this is like the fourth layer. Okay, so I'm gonna take the same brush. I'm gonna dip into the aura shade. I'm gonna put that just on the outer corner. I'm so mad that it's like not picking up on camera, because it actually looks like the two shimmers look really nice together. Alright, so next I'm going to be taking, I think that's all I'm going to do for the eyeshadow. So I'm going to be taking my Kat Von D tattoo liner in the shade Trooper Black, and I'm just going to do a wing. Alright, so that is the finished, like, the eye makeup. I'm going to be doing something on my lower lash line after. I'm going to move on to my face. I'm going to be using the Hourglass Vanish Stick in the shade Alabaster, and I'm going to be using the Sephora Pro Press Full Coverage Complexion Brush, which is number 66. And then since this is a stick foundation, I like to use a bit of a facial oil. I'm going to be using the Farsali Rose Gold Elixir, and I'm just going to be putting a couple drops of that onto the brush. Probably 3. I haven't used this foundation in a while just because it's been the summer. I mean, I don't really tan or anything, but my skin was a little bit darker, so this foundation was almost a little bit too light. And then I'm going to be taking my Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Fair and just putting it underneath my eyes, bridge of my nose, and then just covering any acne that I do have. And then to blend in the concealer, I'm going to be using my Real Techniques complexion sponge, and I'm going to be wetting it with my MAC spray. And then I'm just going to go ahead and blend that in. I'm really excited. So I do have, I might film it, I'm not really 100% sure yet, but I'm going to be a devil for Halloween because Halloween is this Thursday. So I'm going to a party on Friday night as a devil, so I'll probably, if I have time, do like some kind of Halloween makeup look. I'm not really sure what I'll be doing for the makeup, maybe some red eyeliner, who knows, but I'll probably do like some type of Halloween get ready with me. Once that's all blended in, I'm going to take my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder, and then I'm just going to set underneath my eyes with this, since I do have really dry skin, and it is also the fall too, so the weather's getting a little bit cooler. So I find that I need to try to avoid things that make my skin dry. So like if I set my whole face with this, my skin does get fairly dry. So I've been trying to avoid that. And then to set my whole face, I'm going to be using my Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Matte Powder in 1N2, which is Ecru. And I'm going to set my whole face, as well as I'm going to wipe the bake away. Moving on to bronzer, I'm going to be using my Bourjois Chocolate Bronzer, which is the only one I've used. I'm actually almost out of it, so I did go to Shoppers to try to find it, but I didn't see it. So like I don't know if they carry it anymore. This is super old. I should probably replace it or get a new one because it's probably like very unhygienic right now. But I'm going to be using my Quo brush, which the name is almost wiped off. It's the bronzing powder brush. Then I'll be going in with my Milani Baked Blush in the shade Illuminoso. And then, so I'm going to go ahead and do my lower lash line now. I'm going to go back into the Carli Bybel palette, and I think I'm going to go in with the shade Chai, which is this one right here. Just pop some mascara on my lower lash line. And then before I go ahead and do my highlight, I'm going to be setting my face with the Morphe X Jeffree Star Set and Refresh Mist. That actually smells like, that smells so good. It does smell like, it has like a bit of like that artificial strawberry smell, but like it still smells bomb. I'm going to be taking my Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighting bar in the shade Earth, and I'm going to be doing my highlight with this. And this is my absolute favorite highlighter right now. I always had a problem with like highlighters actually showing in like photos and stuff. Like it would never actually show unless they were under light, but like this one, when you take photos, it looks so good. Like it actually stands out and you can actually see the highlight, which is why this is now my favorite. And then I just highlight all of the kind of basic points, so like the top of my cheeks, the bridge of my nose, above my eyebrows, and above my top lip. And then for my inner corner highlight, I'm going to be taking the shade Boli. I don't know, it's spelled B-O-L-I, so I'm going to be taking this shade right here, and I'm going to be taking my Morphe M321. Alright, and this is the finished look using the Carli Bybel X Anastasia palette as well as the Morphe X Jeffree Star collab. Both of these products I am in love with, totally worth it, I would recommend. But yeah, so this is the look. As you can see, like this highlight just is a game changer. If you have not tried it, you should go out and try it. All of Wet n Wild's highlights are absolutely bomb. But yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe as well, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!